Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix WhatsApp app maintenance in progress problem. So if you are getting this problem in WhatsApp, that is, please wait a moment, app maintenance in progress. Then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your device. So just power off your device and then just restart your device, and after your device restart, then connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data and then launch the WhatsApp app and check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is not solved, then the next solution is to clear WhatsApp cache. So tap and hold the WhatsApp app icon, then click on app info and then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache. And then you can go ahead, launch the WhatsApp app and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then check for WhatsApp app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for WhatsApp and tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then you can update it, and then you can go ahead, launch the WhatsApp app and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to turn on and off airplane mode. So bring down the notification panel by dragging down on your screen and then turn on airplane mode. Just wait for a few seconds and then turn off airplane mode. And after turning off the airplane mode, go ahead, launch WhatsApp app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then let me tell you that WhatsApp perform a daily app maintenance. This is the official website of WhatsApp. Here it is mentioned, every day WhatsApp performs general app maintenance that improves the performance of the app. This happens automatically, so you don't need to enable these features or download updates yourself. App maintenance only takes a few moments. You will be enabled to use WhatsApp while it's occurring. So please don't close WhatsApp and wait to resume using the app until the process is completed. So basically WhatsApp perform a daily maintenance, and if you're getting this error, then you have to wait for a few seconds until the app maintenance process gets completed. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve WhatsApp problem. Please wait a moment, app maintenance in progress. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.